Michelle Kwasniak. I'm a professor at the University of New Mexico.
And in your job, you mentioned that you do a lot of writing, but it's more of a left brain writing. What's the difference between that sort of writing and what you did here at the retreat?
The difference between what I usually do is it's extremely analytical and extremely constrained by, should we say, the acceptable language of academies. So there is only so much that you can express in that. You can't really express your heart in that language. You can express the combination of facts and figures and events in a way that is acceptable, but it doesn't necessarily, no, it does not contain your heart.
So, how does it feel to actually be able to write and write a complete book without the restrictions of your regular world?
It feels fantastic because I believe there is so much going on in the world, and I have always longed for a way to be able to express it from my own unique perspective, in a way that wasn't controlled by another language, that you learn to speak as an academic, but within language that we all use, a common language. So it has been it's been very hopeful to me that there is a way to be able to talk about all the things that, should we say, bother me about the world, but in a hopeful way and in a way that can reach other people's hearts.
You know, you were a huge word producer. Did you think that you would be able to write that many words, and did you think that you'd be able to finish a book?
No, I didn't think, I really had no expectations. I had attended Tom's 3-hour seminar at the University of New Mexico Continuing Ed, and I really felt a resonance with my life for what he was saying. So I had a lot of confidence that I actually could write a book in a weekend. Actually, I wrote one in a day and a half. I had no idea I could write as quickly as I did, but I think part of that is because I am so left brain. I have to write extremely fast to shut it down so I can get to my right brain.
You know, that's a really good point you just made. If there was one bit of advice you would have for somebody that's coming to a retreat or thinking of coming to a retreat, what would that be?
I'd say come with an open heart and come with big expectations because they will be met.
That's perfect. Thanks very much.
Sure.